Morning water trick to effectively remove joint pain. Welcome to Life Well Live. And today we're tackling a common issue many of us face: joint pain and inflammation. Whether it's your spine, back, neck, knees, hips, or shoulders, these natural ingredients can work wonders to alleviate your discomfort. Let's dive into the science behind these powerful anti-inflammatory agents and learn how to make a simple, effective drink to start your day. First on our list is turmeric, a potent anti-inflammatory known for its active compound, curcumin. Curcumin inhibits certain molecules, such as nuclear factor kappa-light-chain-enhancer of activated B cells, NF-kappa-B, from sending out signals that trigger inflammation. By blocking these signals, curcumin reduces inflammation and pain in your joints and throughout your body. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that boosts the immune system and combats oxidative stress. Vitamin C is essential for synthesizing collagen, a key component of cartilage. By reducing oxidative stress and supporting collagen production, vitamin C aids in reducing inflammation and joint pain. Black pepper contains piperine, a compound that significantly enhances the absorption and bioavailability of curcumin. On its own, curcumin is poorly absorbed into the bloodstream, but piperine increases its absorption by up to 2,000%. Piperine also exhibits its own anti-inflammatory effects by interfering with certain pain receptors in the body. Further aiding in reducing inflammation and discomfort, honey possesses natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. The antioxidants in honey, such as flavonoids and phenolic acids, help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation. Additionally, honey promotes the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut, improving gut health and enhancing the body's overall immune response. Here's a simple, effective drink you can make first thing in the morning to help reduce inflammation and pain. 1 cup of warm water, approximately 10 to 12 ounces, 1/2 teaspoon of ground turmeric, the juice of 1/2 lemon, a pinch of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of raw honey, or a natural sweetener if needed. Start with a warm glass of water, 10 to 12 ounces. Warm water helps kickstart your metabolism and promote smoother bowel movements, aiding in detoxification. Add the turmeric, lemon juice, black pepper, and honey, or natural sweetener, to the water. Mix it well until all ingredients are combined. Drink this elixir first thing in the morning on an empty stomach before breakfast. The warm water helps activate your digestive system, while the black pepper enhances the absorption of curcumin, allowing it to work more effectively in your body. This drink can help block inflammatory chemicals, reducing inflammation and helping you feel better quickly, instead of reaching for painkillers or anti-inflammatory drugs that can cause side effects. Try this scientifically proven natural remedy. Curcumin, the main strength of turmeric, can block inflammatory changes, making you feel better naturally. Thank you for watching Life Well Live. I hope you found this information helpful. Please share this video with your friends and family, leave your comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health tips. Make it a great day and stay healthy.